welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my acne routine and what I have been doing lately to help treat the little breakouts that I have been having on my face. I recently talked about this in my August favorites that my face has kind of just been randomly breaking out again. So I'm going to talk to you guys today about the products that I have been using to help with my breakouts, and they really have helped to improve them. So let's just go ahead and get right on into it. Alright, so the first thing that I use is just this Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Face Mask. And this is just what it looks like. And I'm obsessed with the packaging of this product. It is so pretty. I love the white and the silver together. It just looks so chic and just really girly. I'm obsessed. You can use this once or 3 times a week. I do use this 3 times a week on my skin just to detox my skin. And I do leave this on for 20 minutes. It says you can leave it on for 5 to 20 minutes. And I leave mine on for 20 minutes just to get the full effect. I love this mask a lot. It really does help to really detox and get in there deep into your pores and clean them out and prevent breakouts. Now, when you first put this mask on, it does feel pretty thick and it does kind of tingle a little bit on your skin, but that's completely normal for it to do that. Once after it doesn't fully dry, it will turn to a light grayish color and it will get really stiff and really hard feeling on your face, and then you're going to rinse it off with cold water. I have noticed a really big difference in my skin. I really have noticed that my skin is a lot more matte. It is pretty much less oily than it has been because I have really oily skin, so it has really helped absorb the extra oil that I had on my skin. And it also really has helped with my breakouts and with my pores. I love this mask. I definitely think that this is worth checking out, although I am going to warn you, this is a pretty expensive mask, and this is just a little sample that I got from Sephora. But the actual price of this mask is $69, which is a little out there, but if you can't afford this, I definitely think that this is worth every single penny because it leaves your face just feeling so soft, so smooth afterwards. It does help with that extra oil, but it doesn't strip your face of moisture. And it really does help to detox your skin. Alright, and then the last product that I go in with in my acne routine, the mask is really just to detox and to clean out your pores. You do need some type of a treatment to put over your pimples, kind of like to act as a medicine to help medicate them. Something that I do recommend, and that is super affordable and at the drugstore, unlike the mask, is this Zap Zit acne treatment gel that you can pick up from Walgreens or Walmart. That's the only 2 places that I have ever seen this product. I have never seen this product at Target, which kind of annoys me, but that's okay. I actually really do like this a lot. I have gone through so many tubes of this product. It does have benzoyl peroxide in it. So the benzoyl peroxide actually works to dry up your pimple and to help with like the redness and the swellingness that you sometimes will get with a pimple. This is not an overnight miracle treatment, so this isn't going to like miraculously take them away in 24 or 12 hours. You are going to have to wait a few days to see some results, but I promise you will see some results if your skin reacts to benzoyl peroxide. Some people with zits and stuff, their skin does not react to benzoyl peroxide, so definitely make sure that your skin is going to be okay with benzoyl peroxide. If you are a bit more on the drier side, you are going to need to really moisturize your skin after using this because it's going to really dry up your skin. So make sure that your skin is really good and moisturized after you apply this product. But I think that you guys will like this as much as I do. It doesn't sting, it doesn't tingle. It's just a little cream that you just kind of put over your pimples and rub it in. So I say give this a go if you're looking for something super affordable to help with your acne. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this, and let me know down in the comments below if you think that you're going to try out the Glam Glow Super Mud Mask. I really think that you guys should if you do struggle with acne or breakouts like I do, because it is a really good face mask to use for those purposes. And until next time, I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye guys, thanks for watching.